JavaScript part to add the functionality. To start with the JavaScript part, let's see. We have to first bring the button. Give it name as button EL, and it will be get document dot get element by ID document dot get element by ID. The ID of the button is button EL is btn, and we have to also bring the first number, second number, calculate portion, and also the result portion. So again, we copy it again, and this will be, say, for first number, first num, and our ID will be first num. Similarly, we have to create another constant that will be second num, and it will take the ID of second num. Next, we have to take the result part. We have to take the result part, the result ELE. It will be result ELE, and the ID will be taken result from the HTML. The ID will be taken result from the HTML portion. Next, what we have to do, we have to create a function actually. To create a function, say a function is calculate, and the function will be called through add event listener, which will be added with the btn ele dot add event listener. We will add a add event listener, and whenever we click the button, it will call the calculate function. So in the calculate function, what we have to do, let's refresh it again in the Go Live Server portion. So let's refresh it again in the live server portion. We can see we have first number to input, second number to input, and also calculate. To add functionality with the calculate, firstly what we have to do, we have to bring the values of first num ele. We have to take that will be first num value will be, say, first num ele dot value. Will bring the value instead of the object. Write the value over here. Again, copy it and also bring the second number, say Control Shift D, it will be second number. Bring the first and second number value, and also create another constant term that will be result value. Result value will be multiplication of first num value and second num value. We have to multiply these two. Control C, Control V, and post the result of this result value to the result ele. To post this in the HTML, we have to write the inner text, which will be equal to result value, semicolon. Now let's run it, save it and run it. Input the first number, input the second number, calculate result. Still we cannot see the result, but we have to adjust it. We can just say this is the first num value, this is the second num value. Okay, save it, run it. Say the value is 5, 7, calculate. We have to show the calculated result. Let's check for the debugging portion. So let's fix the problem. We have to change here, it was F capital. we have to in the HTML we have to change this to AF small, and it was in the capital. We have to change this in the small letter. So if save it, we again run it, go to the live server. If we go to the live server, we can calculate, say, 6 multiplied by 8, it will give us the result. So that's all about it, the JavaScript part. Just some debugging problem. We use the same name for the JavaScript to input variable, which is from the HTML, should be the same name. So we resolve the problem. That's it, all about the functionality of the program. Now we have to use the CSS program to design the whole page. So let's see on the CSS part.